Hey guys, Sean Murphy here with Living on the South Shore of MA, and I want to introduce you to my newest rental listing down here in Plymouth, 216 Water Street. Beautiful condo with unobstructed ocean views. Let's go check it out. Now this is a second floor unit, unit B203. As we come up the stairs, this is the entrance into this unit. You come around this corner and here is the open concept kitchen, living, dining room area. Beautiful kitchen here. Turn around, there's that half bath. But then the best part, look at this view, unobstructed view of Plymouth Harbor. You can see the ocean in the distance. This is the living area over here, kitchen, and then the dining area right off of the kitchen. But if we go over to this living area, and just to show you again this unbelievable view you have out these windows over there in the dining area, that those doors go off to the private balcony that comes with this unit. Another shot of those views there. You can kind of see that ocean out in the distance. A lot of space here. You could put an L couch, mount a TV, big dining room table. But then I'll take you into the other side of the unit where the two bedrooms are. Here is bedroom number one. Outside that window there, you will see the parking lot that has two assigned parking spaces that come with this unit. Here is the full bath. You can see my camera there in the mirror, but full bath. This was built in 2017. So everything is fairly new. Again, there's that parking area out there. And right on the other side of that parking area is a brand walking trail that Plymouth put in. Here are the stackable washer-dryer units within the condo here. Then I'm going to turn around. There's another view of your entrance. But let's go back and show you that view again. So again, look at this. Off of your private balcony, you can come out here, put some tables, put a chair. Look at these views, unobstructed views of the harbor. You can see the ocean in the distance. And you are walking distance, guys, to East Bay Grill, Blue-Eyed Crab, all the amazing restaurants that are downtown and on the harbor here in Plymouth. Here's another view of this walking trail, the front of the building technically, and then here is the back side of the building, which is the side that faces the harbor. It's an incredible condo that is going to move fast. So if you're interested in seeing it, get in touch with us. We will happily show it to you. But make sure to subscribe to the channel here. Comment below with any questions. And as always, thank you for watching.